Fine. Okay. Okay. So last time, which chapter we were dealing? Mughals. And especially we have talked about the Akbar's period. Okay. So that was your chapter number 9. Okay. So today which chapter we will deal? 11th chapter, because 10th chapter is reduced by ICSE. Yes. That means we will not study chapter 10, which is related to your composite culture. In that chapter, Bhakti movement, Sufi movement, different kinds of religious movements were there. Shut the door. Okay, so today we will start our new chapter, that is your chapter number 11, and this chapter is related to your modern age. Okay, before going to start this chapter, I just want to tell that in this chapter also some topics are reduced by ICSE. I have sent one video yesterday also, but for offline it is difficult to tell like this. So just see, in this chapter we will study about the meaning and definition of Renaissance. Okay, and if we will look at the next topic, which is related to the cause of the Renaissance. So in the causes we will study only two causes. First one is new trade routes, this one, and the invention of the printing press. So these two causes we will study about the Renaissance. Okay, and impact of Renaissance we will study on literature, art and science. We will cover whole, but especially we will discuss about the work of Shakespeare, Leonardo da Vinci and Copernicus. Okay, these three personalities we will study and we will discuss their work. A special focus we will give on them. Okay. Okay, so with these notes, let's begin with this chapter, the modern age in Europe. See, except when we have started this history, means we remember what was the first chapter? Indus Valley Civilization. So from Indus Valley Civilization till Akbar, that is Mughal Empire, do you feel any change from here to here? Any change?
Yes, sir. The society got developed. There were so many developments. There were so many developments.
Yes, very good. Developments were there in terms of yes, social, political, economic, position of women, different things we have seen. So you can see that society is shifting from this part to this part, from ancient age to medieval or middle age. There is a transition period. There is a transition period from this. So till here, okay. Now, if we will talk about this chapter, modern age. So there is a shift of medieval age to the modern age. But this modern age is different in different countries. As we're talking about this Europe. Okay, so we will talk about the modern age in the context of Europe. In which year, at what time modern age started in Europe. Okay, so here you can see, like I told you, state divided into three parts: ancient, medieval and modern. So like here also ancient age, medieval age and the modern age. So as we are talking about the modern age in Europe, so it was start in the year of 1453. This period is known as the Renaissance. See, this word Renaissance has different pronunciation. Some people call it as Renaissance, Renaissance, Renaissance and Renaissance also. So I heard about three pronunciations. So don't get confused in this. It is about the spelling. Just remember the spelling. Pronunciation so you can adopt as per your choice. So Renaissance. It was started in the year of 1453 in Europe. Okay. So as we are talking about this Renaissance, first you have to see that what is the meaning of this term. What is the meaning or definition of this term? Okay. See, during this period of time, as I told you that this, you can say this movement of Renaissance started in the Europe. If we will talk about the meaning of this word Renaissance, it means rebirth. It means rebirth, regenerate, development, growth. Okay? So it literally meaning is rebirth. And during this period of time, what happened in the period of Renaissance? What happened? People in Europe is very big, and in that you will find different countries. So especially Greece and Rome. These two places very important role. So what happened during this period of Renaissance? People started learning the philosophy, the classics of Roman civilization and the Greek civilization. They started reading again. They tried to flourish the teachings and the culture of the Greece and Roman. See, before the Renaissance, what happened? In Europe, Christianity was there. Okay? And most of the people followed the orders of the church and the pope. The role of church or pope was eminent during that period of time. You can say that people blindly follow the orders of the church and the pope. But during the period of Renaissance, focus has been shifted from this point. In this period, people started thinking on the other side. Like they said that as a human being, we have to think logically, scientifically. If someone is saying something, why is it so? Why people are following the things blindly? No. Investigation should be there. If someone is saying this, why it is so? So you can see in this period of time, they were against the cultural and social norms of the religion. Religion is important, but it is not like that someone is telling about something, so you will blindly follow. No, we need to investigate, think logically, scientifically, and they have shifted the focus to think think about the interest, future of the people, like humanitarian work, welfare of the people. We have to think upon all these things. How a society will develop if we will blindly follow all these things. So, Renaissance is the transition period to change the mindset of the people. There is no need to think traditionally. You have to think logically and take your step after that. Okay? So, this is the background of the Renaissance. Okay? You can add in the meaning also whatever I have discussed now. You can write the definition also. Like in your book, there are 2 definitions. Okay? If you will take topic wise, so you can realize that first we have to define the meaning. Just now I have explained the meaning and background of the Renaissance, and after that you can quote 1 or 2 definition of the Renaissance. It is very important. At least one definition you have to quote about this. Like P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru means Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's definition is there and Davies definition is there. Read them. You will find the same thing which I have explained just now.